Firstly, I'd like to start by introducing myself. I'm Julia and I've recently joined the team here at JD Classics. Secondly, much more excitingly, I'd like to introduce you to this beautiful Jaguar E-Type Series 1 4.2 Fixed Head Coupe. So where did this beautiful car originate from? Well, it started life in New York back in 1965, where it was bought and kept within the same family for more than 50 years. After coming to JD Classics for a full restoration and significant modifications, the car was recently completed and has covered just 1,000 miles since. Okay, so now we know where the car came from, let's show you some of the truly bespoke features that make this car truly unique. So here, if you look closely, you can see a camera, which takes the stress out of parking a car, no problem. So the front of the car has had a full PPF coating, which is going to help to protect the 7 layers, no less, of the gunmetal grey paint the car is finished in. Let's take a look at some of the truly bespoke features you're going to find within the car itself. The first thing you're going to notice is the stunning rich red leather interior, which complements the gunmetal grey perfectly. It looks beautiful. So if we take the back panel from the boot, here you're going to find within jack kit, everything bespoke for this car. This is excellent. This is a really nice touch. Just under here, slide out, and we've got very own bespoke Jaguar toolkit, if I can get it open. Everything totally bespoke for this car. We've also got, under the middle section, this is where you're going to find subwoofers and the focal speakers, which are all connected to the music system within the car. So again, totally hidden, but providing phenomenal sound. So JD Classics have done it again. Take a look at this beautiful interior. Hundreds of hours, literally hundreds of hours, has gone into the trimming of these seats. Not only are they beautiful to look at, but they're incredibly comfortable to sit in. So the driving experience, even on long journeys, it's wonderful. The inertia seat belts you will find behind the seat. Again, safety blended with elegance, which is really, really important, obviously, in a car like this. But I really can't stress how many hours of work goes into creating such a beautiful interior as you'll find in this car. There are some amazingly unique features within this, and I'd love to show you a few. Come take a look at these. So, initially, you'd expect to find the stereo where you would normally expect to find a stereo, which would be somewhere on the dash. Not in this car. Lift up the centre console. What do we have? We have the stereo system, which also doubles as the display screen for the front camera. Not only that, we have air conditioning controls. We have a PowerPoint charging for the phone. So we're mixing modern features with a classic car, but it's all so beautifully done, you'd never know. Up here, take a closer look, another very modern feature, bespoke feature to here, you'll find a PowerPoint for a dash cam. Brilliant. Beautiful. One more thing I want to show you within this car, which I think is brilliant. And that is, if you lift up the back here, another little compartment. What do we have? Oh look, it's an umbrella. Perfect. All amazingly crafted, beautifully crafted. What more could you ask for? So what do you name a car like this? Well, here at JD Classics, we've affectionately named it the Secret Agent. And we think you'll agree, it suits it perfectly.